Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
The first and essential step is to stop more dirt from entering the pond. Divert runoff into a vegetated swale at least 4 feet wide to catch sediment before it reaches the shoreline, and route downspouts away from the water. Do not allow bare soil within 25 feet of the shoreline. Stabilize banks with native grass plugs, rock riprap, or coir logs. A single heavy rain can deliver thousands of pounds of sediment, so prevention is the foundation of clear water and sustainable pond health. Next, capture and settle the particles you cannot stop. Build a settling basin or silt trap that is 3 to 6 feet deep, located upstream or in a forebay separate from the main pond. Pump or divert incoming water into that basin and allow it to sit for 48-72 hours so fine particles will fall out of suspension. If turbidity persists, apply an appropriate flocculant product per label rates to coagulate clay and organic particles. Then let the coagulated material settle and remove accumulated sludge mechanically. Finally, polish the water and maintain clarity with filtration, plants, and routine care. Install a mechanical clarifier or filter system fitted with 25-micron or finer media for continuous polishing of the water column. Bypass the main pond so you can treat inflow directly. Establish emergent and floating plant bands 3 to 6 feet wide to absorb nutrients and provide shade, reducing algal regrowth. Routine maintenance includes removing settled sludge at least once per year, and inspecting and repairing inlet erosion after major storms to prevent recontamination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.